We're going to take a look at the Kubatech Cosmos Validate product. Today we're looking at the compare files functionality of that product, typically used for validating translations from one CAD system to another or one CAD format to another. For instance, a CATIA file to a STEP file, or possibly a STEP file to an IGES, that type of thing. So we'll begin by selecting Compare. Kubatech's install installs some samples, give us some examples to train from or to demonstrate the capabilities. So we're going to click on the samples and we're going to begin with the authority model. We see here at the top it says open authority file. So we'll go into the authority folder and let's pick this step file here and then open. And then the software prompts us to open the derivative file. So let's pick the derivative folder and then let's pick from this folder, this time we'll pick the IGES file and click open. We see those two models come in side by side. So on the left we have our authority model from the step model, and on the right we have our derivative model, the IGES file. Kubatech makes it easy to view the two translations side by side. We use the center mouse wheel, click it and use it for the rotating of the model to get a better look. We can scroll the wheel to zoom in and out. We can hold down the control key and the center mouse wheel for panning. Let's click on the compare button and the software opens up the comparison of the two models. Anything in red is fallen outside of the limits of the tolerance that we specified. It will also show you all the other entities from the model that were checked. You can click on a feature and it'll highlight over in the graphics window. And we did a double validation of the authority model to the derivative model and going the other direction, the derivative model to the authority model. So that's why we see the two different options and the two different highlighted features. Okay, let's tell it to show errors and we get a look at all the errors at once here. And we can zoom in and take a close look. And then we're going to create a report. I have saved in the settings beforehand to save it as a PDF file. There are other options. We're going to browse for the folder we want to save it in. Give it the file name we want to give it. And then click Save. The software is going to snap some screenshots of the fit model so we can get a good look at the entire model. It's going to give us details on the file names and where they're stored for traceability. So there we see the fit, derivative, and authority models with colored features showing where there was failed comparisons. And then we're going to see some tight detail from the zoom shots, all automatically taken of the failed areas, culminating at the end with a red fail indication and a place for your quality control to sign off on the report. Thank you and good day.